gosh! I can't believe it! Oh, it's still going! It's still going! Can you believe it?
I mean, the way that we season our vegetables, and the way that we cook our greens.
Oh my god!